Mabhalane jikelele wamhlabuhlangene Antonio Guterre usigceke kakhulu esinyathelo samengameli waseRussia Vladimir Putin wena nolubito lwekutsi ajikise emasotsha lase-Ukraine awabuyisele emuva eRushiya. Guterre uthi lokhu kungahle kuholele ekutheni kugcine kunembili engalawuleki.
This is the saddest moment in my tenure as Secretary General of the United Nations. I started this meeting of the Security Council addressing President Putin and telling him from the bottom of my heart, stop your troops from an offensive to the Ukraine, give peace a chance because too many people have already died.
Mvunankulu waseNgilandi Boris Johnson ukubeke kwacaca ngesikhathi yakhuluma nesive sakhe ukuthi akahambisani naloku lokwenziwa ngomengameli wa7 laseRussia Vladimir Putin. Johnson uphindze wathi uthandeza bonke abantu ba7 lase-Ukraine wathi emavatheni ntshonalanga kumele angabukeli nje. Live laseNgilandi kulinzeleke ukuthi lihlele lonsinyo lolusha lelitawethwesa eRussia ngekuhamba kwesikhathi.
We will do what more we can in the days ahead. Today, in concert with our allies, we will agree a massive package of economic sanctions designed in time to hobble the Russian economy.
Tiphathimandla te-European Union nato tiphawulile njengoba tithi tifuna kubamba umhlangano lophuthuma ukuthi tithole isisombululo noma umhlahlandlela lokhu lokuchubeka eveni lase-Ukraine.
We condemn this barbaric attack and the cynical arguments to justify it. It is President Putin who is bringing war back to Europe. And in these dark hours, the European Union and its people stand by Ukraine and its people.
Kusenjalo iningizimu Afrika nayo yendela ubito eveni laseRussia ukuthi ikhiphe emasotsha ayo ngekuhambisana nemithetho wamhlabuhlangene. Kepha ke nayo isebene ngokukhandla kwelekelela abantu bakuleli labadzinga losito.
We are ready for whatever happens. One of the major issues and responsibilities for me, in addition to the diplomacy and all the other high-level issues that we have to deal with, is of course the well-being of our people.
Bantu base-Ukraine baqhubeke njalo nokutama kubalekela lela live njengoba solo kumatima. Baholi bamave emhlaba solo benda lubito lokuthi iRussia ayime kancane kuloku lekwendawo njengoba lokhu kungaholela ekutheni kushone abantu basale bangenamakhaya kubhoke nendlala.